Look at you. All grown.
You're in here. Thanks, Mum. Name's Leila.
Allow it, yeah?
So you're waiting for me?
Yeah.
You wanna come on stage, babes?
I'm Troy.
I have plans too, you know.
You'll be part of my plans.
Really?
Oh, Layla. Wake up, or life is gonna slap you down, I'm telling you.
You're a proper soldier now, innit?
So, why don't Troy and the other boys like?
I think it's time for you to leave, bro.
So are you gonna see him again? If you do, I'll slice your face open.
Layla. You okay?
Do you wanna kiss me?
You're gonna set him up for us. I'll make that phone call, yeah?
No.
Now.